How to make text outline in Gimp. So first click here on File and then click here on New to create a new project. So now I need to click here on this text tool and I will say something like, for example, outline. Okay, and I will change the color of this text. So for example, I will choose to be white because it is more visible, and I will increase letter spacing. Okay, and I will increase the size of these letters, for example 250 pixels. So now what I need to do, I actually need to click here and to create a new layer and make sure it is a transparent layer, and then click here on OK. And now you need to move the transparent layer below the text layer. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to left click on text layer and then right click on text layer and click on alpha to selection. So now when I hide the text layer, here you can see I selected text. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to go here on select and then you need to click here on grow, and you need to choose how many pixels you actually wish to grow this text. So for example, let's just say 8 pixels, and when I click here OK, here you can see it grow 8 pixels. And then here I can choose the color of my outline. So for example, let's just say I will choose red. Okay, click here OK, and now I need to click here on bucket fill tool, and then I need to click here on this transparent layer to activate that layer, and then I will simply click here, and now you can see I actually painted these letters. So let me unhide this text layer. Here you can see how this looks. Okay, so let me just click here on select none so you can see it better. But here is the problem. When I click here and when I try to move this text, here you can see I only moved one layer. So how do you actually avoid it? How do you move text with the outline? So let me just click here on undo. What you need to do, you need to left click here on text layer and then right click on text layer and then click here on merge down. So now I merged those two layers. So now when I move this text, as you can see, text and outline also move, they move together. So this is how you make text outline in Gimp.